Hey, welcome back everybody. Joe's RV and Fishing Channel. No, there's not going to be any fishing probably for, I don't know. I would say a few days now. They're calling for single digits on us in the windshields, and we might even get a little sleet and ice tonight where we're at. So it's going to be a cold one. Like it ain't already cold. Anyway, this weekend, as a camp host, it really starts Thursday because we have so much to do. Trying to look at my phone. Y'all give me just a second. Okay. Anyway, I like that site right there. Anyway. But yeah, starting Thursday, I have a lot that's going on, and that's another reason why that I can't really do too much fishing. I know a lot of y'all want me to go fishing bad, and I do too, but I do have to fulfill my duties as a camp host, and then the weather don't cooperate, and the waves get too large out there, and it's always something. But I would say what's today? Okay, this Monday coming up, almost a week from today, there is going to be beautiful temperatures, and we're going to do it to it every day. I have went out there a couple times, try to get y'all a video. Nothing ever goes right. I do have some footage for y'all. I don't have enough to make y'all a video, though, a good one, or something at least interesting. I did try. It's just cold. And after that surgery I had, and I don't know how to say it, but anyway, I lost a bunch of fluid. We're gonna put it that way. Keep it PG-13. So yeah, ever since then I have been cold, real cold, always. There you go. Y'all seen that, huh? That ought to tell you something. I talked to, if y'all go back in my other videos, make sure you go back and watch my other videos. I have a bunch out. I'm not, I don't really know how to do that at the end of the video because I'm working with my phone. Once this channel grows and gets out there, then yes, I will switch over to a computer and all that fancy editing stuff. But for right now, it is what it is. Yep. I know I ain't did a walk and talk or afternoon chit chat or afternoon walk and talk or whatever you want to call it. I know here in about an hour I gotta go make my rounds again, make sure everything's okay and good, lock a few doors up and all that good stuff. But yeah, going back to what I was saying about the Mardi Gras. This Thursday it starts for me. I have to make sure the campground is all stocked and bathrooms are neat and clean, and all that kind of good stuff. And then come Thursday, we're going to have, well, really, by Friday, we'll have a house full. And they're going to have a Mardi Gras parade for the campers. I do have the option to participate in it, but I think we're going to make a video out of it instead. And I think I'm going to call it Mardi Gras at the campground. Or Campground Mardi Gras or something like that. I'll work that bug out. Yeah. The clouds are getting a little dark. Man, I wish I could stop this shaking. Anyway. I'm trying my best here. And I'm walking too, so it ain't making it any better. Yep, folks, this is it. I don't know when I'm going to be leaving out of here. Don't know if I will. I thought I was. And I still have a home base I have to take care of. So I still have to do that. And did I tell y'all I'm going to be flying solo for about a week and a half? Yeah. Grandma has something to go take care of, and she's going to go off and do her for a week and a half. And I'm going to stay here. And I'm going to do my work and chill out. I've been making plenty of fires. I've been enjoying my fire. I have plenty of wood, make a real fire. And then I have my gas fire pit, which that kind of takes the fun out of it, to be honest with you. Even though it is convenient sometimes to just just hit the button and you got fire. It still ain't nothing like the good old smoke and ashes going everywhere, and you're just smelling it and seeing it. And yep, y'all, life has changed dramatically. If y'all would have known me probably, oh Lord, probably about 4 years ago, y'all would say, Lord, what is wrong with him? Well, you do grow up. You do change. Some just do it slower than others. Heck, I'm not perfect. There's nobody that's perfect. There's only one person that is perfect. I've made bad mistakes. I've made bad choices. But oh well, I got to deal with it. Somebody made a bad choice trying to mess with me, and had to put them in their place. Well, they better stay in their place. Yeah, they already know what the business is. And I don't care whether they're watching this or not. Anyway, let's get off that topic. Anyway. Boy, somebody's brave leaving their trailer up here like that. I'm not going to do that. Not at all. I don't know what happened to the blue boat. Wow. Okay, tongue twister there, Joe. The blue boat that looks like mine. I haven't heard it run or seen them take it out, but it's no bigger than mine, so I understand why it's still sitting on the trailer. These waves, guys, they get ferocious. And I did find out I do have more men watching my channel than women. And I mean, not that it matters. And I see a lot of people, they look on their, what does it say on their mobile device? So I like how YouTube can tell you how old the person is that's watching it, what gender they are, where they're from. Do you watch it on a TV, a computer, a mobile device? What else did it say on there? I don't know, but it's something. Boy, folks, we're going on 11 minutes, 45 seconds. Anyway, yeah, all this will be full come Friday afternoon. Right now, it's the calm before the storm. Literally. You got a little bit of sunshine peeking over there and knowing it's fixing to rain like I'll get out tonight. I see Miss Vicky and Mr. Johnny over there working. Oh, I might have to get out here in a few minutes and go do what I gotta do. Man, I like his boat. Hey, just like mine. Yeah, well, I might have to cut y'all off here in a second if he wants to talk. Y'all know how I am about that. So, that's a nice one. Oh yeah, they got the water running out here. You know it's gonna get cold. I'm just now noticing that. I'm not in charge of that part, so I'm just now seeing that. Yep, Joe's gonna be flying solo for a week and a half. Y'all, I'm gonna get bored. I'm not too fond of living alone, but it is what it is. Yep. It look like they getting ready to go crappie fishing. White perch fishing, whatever. Pretty good. Oh yeah, you definitely can smell the fish. Alright, Look at that pier. Well, you know, we was right here when we first came here. Not anymore, though, but it is what it is, folks. Maybe we'll get to do something. That's a nice motorhome.
Hey,
Pretty good. All right, folks, I'm back here. I spoke with that gentleman there yesterday. Anyway, I have one of my neighbors is coming down here. I see must be you, Mr. Johnny, is still working at it, making sure everything is good and ready to go. And I'm going to start doing mine here in a little bit. Just unbelievable, some of the things that you see and some of the things people do. Whew. Oh, they just ain't no hope. I've been saying that for many and many years now. Yep. There's some more nature trails out here and all that kind of good stuff. And when it warms up, I'm going to bring y'all on them too. I know y'all want to see the fishing videos. I'm going to get to it, I promise. I promise. I don't break promises. When I said I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it. It's just got to be right. Because that lake out there, you disrespect her, no, she's going to slap you. Trust me. Oh, man. We've almost made it. Almost made it. And then I'm going to go make my rounds. And then I'm going to take me a shower and lay down in the bed and work on this for you guys and get this going. Got the water running there. I got to cut the water onto these bathrooms tonight. It's going to be cold, cold. Look at this, folks. Watch. Watch. Look at this. Just look at that. Whoop. Yeah, here we go. All right. It had kicked y'all off for a minute. Yeah, but just look at all that through there. Just pretty. It's just pretty. Just pretty. Yep. There's that boat we rode on. All right, folks. Make sure you like, subscribe. This is going to end the walk here. And peace out. Love y'all. Let's get out and get it.